Welcome back, everybody. So my man Ryan, Honda Accord 4-cylinder that needed a flex pipe, and the spring bolts were rotted out, so we're just servicing the spring bolts. Easy peasy, right? Wasn't so bad. The flange on the converter was just about shot on both sides, and then the flex pipe, you can see the soot that was leaking. So Ryan is finally ready to weld this together.
More or less, yeah.
All right, we'll show him what you're doing.
Test it to make sure it's actually good. Then we do it.
Very nice.
All right. And just gonna do this, and then tack these afterwards.
Very nice.
So it can spin and weld it at the same time.
Nice. I like it. All right. This is a good alternative than replacing the whole entire exhaust system on your Honda Accord. Thanks for watching.